Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm glad to see you. Today we are talking about a principle that can save you from over-engineering, bugs, and even job interviews gone wrong. That's KEYS. Keep it simple, stupid. Now, it's not an insult, it's a design mantra. Let's break down why simplicity is your superpower in front-end development. Origin of KEYS. KEYS was born in the 1960s at Lockheed Martin. Yes, the airplane Fox. The rule: a system performs best when it has the fewest moving parts. If simplicity keeps jets from crashing, imagine what it can do for your code. What is KEYS? KEYS is a design principle that says the simplest solution is usually the best one. In coding, this means avoiding unnecessary complexity. Think of it like reading a recipe. You wouldn't add 10 extra steps just to boil water, right? Same with code. Why KEYS matters in JS? JavaScript is flexible, but that freedom can backfire. Ever seen a 100-line function that could have been 10 lines? That's why KEYS matters. Readability. Simple code is easier to debug and maintain. Performance. Fewer operation is faster execution. And teamwork. Your teammates will thank you. KEYS in action. Let's take a real example. Here's a function that checks if a user is eligible for a discount. The first version uses nested if statements, but the second version uses a clean ternary operator. Both work, but which one would rather debug at 2 a.m.? Exactly, KEYS wins. Next slide. KEYS in UI UX. KEYS isn't just about code. It's also about UI. Imagine a form with 20 fields with one with. Compare Google's homepage to Yahoo's 1997 monstrosity. Users love simplicity. Can I achieve this with fewer elements, fewer dependencies, fewer state variables? Ask, can I delete this button input div without breaking anything? If yes, delete it. Common anti-KEYS traps. Sometimes complexity is needed, like using Redux for a large app. But ask, first, is this the simplest way to solve the problem? And second, will FutureMe understand this? If unsure, err on the side of simple. Watch out for these traps. First, over-engineering. Using Redux for a to-do app. It's unnecessary. Second, parameter optimization. Micro-optimization code before it works. Third, Frameworks hype. Using React for a static page. Remember, solve the problem, not your ego. Next. Have to practice keys. Here's how to keep it simple. First, write small functions. One job each. Second, delete unused code. Yes, even that might need later comment. Ask for feedback. Press A spot complexity. Refactor ruthlessly. Less code is fewer bugs. And final tip. Next time you're coding, ask, is this the simplest way? Your future self and your team will thank you. Now, go build something awesome and simple. Drop your favorite key strips in the comments. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.